So I'm doing problem 9 for module 7, and basically you're given two expressions, and you're going to be finding this. You're going to be finding a h plus bx plus c. And a, b, and c represents the constants that you're going to be finding. So at first it's confusing, so basically you put together these two expressions. So we're going to start by doing that, because right now you're given over here g of x plus h, and as you can see, this expression is g of x and it equals this. So legitly, you're going to be putting x plus h in for x over here. So let's start by doing that. So it's going to be negative 5 plus 8 of x plus h minus 4x, just like that. So we already got this part of the equation done, and you're just going to finish the rest. And basically you're going to be minusing this expression. So it's going to be like that. And you want to make sure that you put a parenthesis, because you don't want to mess up, the minus carrying over, because you want to make sure that you change all the values throughout the problem. So we got the top part of the formula done. Yeah, and then you put that all over h. And then at this point, you're just going to go through and FOIL it all. So you got negative 5 plus 8x plus 8h minus, now looking at over here, x plus h squared, it's kind of normal, like it's easy to see that it will be x squared plus h squared plus 2hx. So we're going to have negative 4 with that right there. Just like that. And then we might as well just carry over the minus at this point. So it's going to be plus 5 minus 8x plus 4x squared. Okay, and then again, all over h, which usually when I do this problem, I just start with doing the top problem, but I want to make sure that you know that to divide by h. So again, to write it out, because you want to be thorough in case you make a mistake. So we're going to carry over the negative 4, so it's going to be negative 4x squared plus minus 4h squared minus 8hx, and then go ahead the rest of the problem. Okay, and then from this point, you can go ahead and cancel any, values. So we got negative 5 and 5, so let's just cancel that. We have plus 8x minus 8x, we can go ahead and cancel that. We got 8h, oh, can't cancel anything with that. Negative 4x squared. Okay, so now at this point, all we're left with is 8h minus 4h squared minus 8hx, all divided by h. From that point on, you can go ahead and, divide out the h's. So we lose an h there, lose one h there, we're left with negative 4h, and lose an h there. So at the end, you have 8 minus 4h minus 8x. Okay, so at the beginning, remember how I said we're finding ah plus bx plus c? You can see that we have those variables. So our a is going to be negative 4, our b is going to be negative 8, and our c is going to be 8. So for all that work, that's all you need. Just those three values. Basically, you're just foiling, you're putting it together, and you're just putting these two together. And it's easy to make mistakes, so you want to make sure that you write out each one, make sure that you're foiling correctly, and make sure that you're getting rid of values like negative 5, 5, negative 8x, 8x. And you should be left with a formula like that. And that's the problem.